Enter a realm where nature and artistry collide. Explore 22 wood wall art designs, each a unique masterpiece. From rustic charm to contemporary elegance, these creations redefine your space. Get ready to be captivated, inspired, and find the perfect piece that resonates with your style. Let's dive in. Design number 1 invites you into a serene woodland escape. The intricate arrangement of wooden logs and leaves creates a natural diversity of beauty, perfect for adding rustic charm to your living room or bringing a calming atmosphere to your office. Embark on a journey with design number 2, a harmonious blend of nature and artistry. Each piece is a unique assembly of natural elements, encased in rustic wooden frames. Ideal for cozy cafes, modern rustic homes, or any space seeking a touch of nature's elegance. Introducing design number 3, minimalist, yet elegant wooden triangle shelves. Crafted with precision, each shelf boasts a natural wood finish, adding warmth to any space. Perfect for gracing the walls of your living room, home office, or bedroom with a touch of nature. Design number 4, the epitome of sophistication and natural beauty. Meticulously arranged wooden blocks create an illusion of depth, dancing between light and shadow. Imagine these panels gracing your living room, dining area, or office space, sparking conversations with their intricate designs. Elegance meets rustic charm in design number 5. With a sleek black frame and a rich wooden backdrop, this piece is not just decor, but an expression of sentiment, ideal for cozy living rooms, welcoming hallways, or tranquil bedrooms anywhere you want to evoke warmth and home. Journey into sophistication with design number 6, exquisite wooden wall panels. Meticulously arranged blocks create a dance between light and shadow. Perfect for your living room, dining area, or office space. Elevate your space with artistry that transcends time. Design number 7, an elegant dream catcher where tradition meets contemporary aesthetics. Intricate design and neutral tones make it more than a wall decoration. It's an art piece telling stories of dreams and aspirations. Versatile, stylish, and perfect for any space. Celebrate nature's diversity with design number 8. Crafted meticulously with slices of wood, this piece captures the essence of a tree in full bloom. Rustic, yet elegant, it's the perfect adornment for cozy cafes, art studios, or any space touched by the serene elegance of nature. Design number 9, a unique symphony of rich, warm wood grains. Meticulously framed to capture the essence of natural beauty, the fluid lines and organic shapes tell a story of timeless elegance. Perfect for your cozy living room, tranquil study, or boutique hotel lobby. Elevate your space with design number 10, an exquisite wall mirror decoration. A harmonious blend of rustic charm and contemporary elegance, seamlessly integrating with any decor style. Ideal for living rooms, hallways, or bedrooms, adding depth and dimension to your space. Discover design number 11, meticulously crafted wooden slices adorned with vibrant air plants. More than a decoration, it's an experience of serene woodland beauty. Perfect for your living room or office, offering moments of tranquil reprieve and natural elegance. Step into design number 12, a harmonious blend of nature and artistry. Assorted wooden logs and a modern metallic grid create a testament to timeless elegance. Perfect for upscale restaurants, modern offices, or any space where elegance meets the allure of the forest. Design number 13, a living piece of art. Meticulously placed wooden slats create an abstract tree design adorned with potted greenery. More than decor, it's an experience ideal for cozy cafes, modern offices, or the centerpiece that welcomes guests into your home. Introducing design number 14, contemporary wall art, where elegance meets modern design. Meticulously crafted patterns and contrasting tones make it more than decor. It's a statement. Ideal for living rooms, corporate offices, or upscale restaurants. Design number 15, a trio of wooden elegance bringing nature into your living space. Meticulously crafted frames with finely selected wooden sticks offer a conversation starter. Perfect for modern homes, cozy cafes, or any space in need of artistic yet natural touch. Immerse in design number 16, a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Horizontal wooden slats on a dark-colored wall, adorned with lush green plants, create an abstract and artistic appeal. Ideal for modern homes, chic offices, or trendy cafes. Celebrate nature's artistry with design number 17. A unique assembly of natural wood elements creates a visually stunning masterpiece, perfect for cozy cabins, modern offices, or chic urban lofts. Transform your space into a sanctuary of natural elegance. Elevate your environment with design number 18, where nature meets elegance. Horizontally aligned wooden slats adorned with lush greenery create an ambiance of tranquility and peace. Ideal for living rooms, creative offices, or any area in need of serenity. Design number 19, where nature meets modernity. Rustic wooden blocks mounted on dark metal rods offer an experience that brings warmth and artistic flair. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or boutique hotel lobbies, every glance reveals something new. Transform your space with design number 20, where nature meets elegance. Horizontally aligned wooden slats adorned with lush greenery create an ambience of tranquility and peace. Ideal for living rooms, creative offices, or any area in need of serenity. Celebrate timeless bonds with design number 21, a rustic charm that brings every room to life. Handcrafted with love, each panel tells a story. Perfect for your living room, dining area, or cozy corner where memories are made. Discover design number 22, where art meets nature. Crafted meticulously from natural wood, each block tells its own story. Adorned with touches of greenery, this wall decoration breathes life into any space. Perfect for your living room, office, or any space needing an artistic touch. Thanks for diving into the world of wood wall art with us. If you found a favorite, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more inspiration, and share with your fellow art lovers. Until next time, let the beauty of nature transform your space. Take care and happy decorating.